now. The water is so pretty. Look, I bet you it's chlorinated. So that it stays pretty. Wanna go swimming? It's the kiddie pool.
Smells like swimming water too.
It is really cool.
Two dolphins. And my battery thing is dead.
Look at the hands. Lizard, lizard, lizard. Ah! Oh, look at this pretty flower over here. Is it real? Is it fake? I don't know, but it's really pretty. It's probably fake. It's fake. What? I don't understand. Are these like their ashes or something? I don't know. Maybe their ashes are born. Buried under here? Not born. Buried. It's a little different. It's got to be what it is. I guess if you get buried above ground in a grave like this, you don't ever have to worry about somebody building a house or something over your grave and your grave being lost. I always wondered why people wanted to be buried above ground. These are probably for the cremation because they're so small. But it's probably expensive, like, to get buried in one of these. Maybe that's why some people just get cremated and put into a smaller hole. Or maybe that's why some people bury their family in their backyard. Because it's expensive. Yeah, it looks like there's another thing over here where people's ashes might be buried. It has to be what it is, their ashes. This place is huge. Listen, if people die every year, okay, and people are born every year, what's gonna happen? Like, we're gonna run out of places to put the dead people. What's gonna happen to, like, all these graves? Are we gonna run out of room on the earth to bury these dead people, or are they gonna do, like, mass graves and just say, screw it all, here you go, get in there?
Well, if you put it that way, that would suck, but I doubt we're ever gonna run out of room. There's so many cemeteries around the world, it's crazy.
I know, but that's what I'm saying. More people are being born every year. More and more people. So
people are gonna have to start burying people in their backyard.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Okay.
But you're closer, so you don't have to travel much.
Just made me wonder what's gonna happen.
There were some flowers back there on the ground.
Yeah.
What the heck? So I'm picking them up and putting them in the things.
The sun's going down.
You never fulfilled my challenge of a 30-minute challenge.
Yeah.
Think you'll ever come back and do one?
I don't know, maybe. I just don't even remember why I didn't. I think I just couldn't. I work a lot.
I know you do.
Driving all the way over here
Yeah.
at nighttime to do a 30-minute alone challenge when I have to work in the morning is
Yeah. I
a
know.
little difficult. Either I'm getting here and doing it and then I'm going to work tired, or I'm not doing it and freaking doing my job at work and I'm just exhausted with all of it. I tried to do a video every day this month and I just missed 2 days because I was too dang exhausted because I worked 2 9-hour days and got to take care of my kids. It's a lot.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa, alright guys, I'm like laughing so hard that tears are coming out of my eyes. Marcus wanted me to get a picture of him, like a good picture of him, so I started snapping some pictures and I'm like, this is a better background, so we went over and we did a little photo shoot, but it was pretty funny. So I can't see right now because I was crying because I was laughing so hard. So Marcus went to go look for my mom because she kind of walked off when we were doing our little photo shoot. But here it comes now. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Love you guys.